Alright, so some people had asked for some help on how to use Open Broadcaster Studio software, OBS Studio, when you're doing webinars and things like that. It's an open source, it's free. Some people said there might be some glitches and things like that, but overall it's been pretty good. So the first thing would be the website is obsproject.com. If you just Google search Open Broadcaster Software, you'll be able to find that. Okay, then the next thing is this is what it looks like in the Windows version. And so I have different windows already set up, but what I'll do is I'll just create a brand new one. So let's just call it test 1. So now this is your scene. Now you can, as you're doing your webinar, you can switch to different views as needed, but we're going to create a brand new one. So sources, and I'm doing window capture. You see right here, window capture. Let's call this one the Zoom meeting. That name is already in use, Zoom meeting 1. Okay, now we'll have to look for it. Now it's right here. Okay, now what you do is I shrunk the size down. Now I'm using Zoom Meeting. If you're using some other sort of webinar software, that's fine. But so you have to stretch it to match the size of the window. And if there's a little space here, it actually means that you can resize your window and make it fit what's going on. And you really want to make sure you don't have you know, any wasted space. So just stretch and make sure everything fits. Just go that way again one more time. Okay, so we're pretty much in the full window there. Now I have this countdown video you can see here, right? So what I did for that was I went onto YouTube and I just did a Google search for countdown timer, or things like that. And there's a lot of different countdown timers that are there. For the most part, if you look at them, make sure there's some fair use, but there's different cool ones. This guy Jack Murphy has some cool ones. A lot of the different countdown timers seem to be from churches, and then you can use a YouTube downloader to download that MPEG-4 file. And then what I did was I opened it, and then I just added this text in Cyberlink, and then recut the video. So now we have this countdown timer, and again you're gonna add that, and you're gonna choose window capture, and I'm gonna do VLC countdown. Now I've already got it in here. Now it's here. Now most people have been putting the countdown timer here, right? But you don't want to see all like the controls and stuff. So I'm using VLC. Go to minimal interface. Now it changes the size of the window. And again, you want to resize the window so that it looks, right there. Good. So again, and when you go to VLC, even though you don't see any other controls, you'll be able to just press the space bar to toggle the start and stop. Okay. So there you really have that. Now, so you got your Zoom meeting window, and then you'll have your countdown timer.